Hey guys, welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi and today's video is going to be for the June edition of Mystery Box. This box is so amazing, but before I get down to this, if you're wondering why the lighting situation around me is looking so weird today or what's happened to my video quality, guys, it's just that I don't know what has happened, okay? So this is what the situation right now is. You know, I've been packing my stuff to go to Bangalore for quite some time now. Now, as of today, I have 46 huge cartons, okay, 46 huge cartons. Half of them have been sealed and my lights and half of my recording equipment have been packed in one of these cartons. This is so weird. I don't know how my things ended up there. Who packed it? Obviously, it's something, you know, that happened in the middle of all the confusion around here. But my things have been packed and I'm just so worried because I don't know how they have been kept, in which box they are, and you know, like how they reach Bangalore. I'm very protective about my recording equipment, okay? Yeah, it will cause a lot of mess and a lot of problems if I open the cartons and if I start taking out things. But I guess it's just something that has to be done, you know, it's just something that has to be done. So yeah, that's the current story of my mad life. If you're wondering why am I still recording this video, that's because I'm honestly desperate to tell you guys about this month's mystery box. I'll share the website link in the description box below, and I'm honestly telling you guys, if you are looking for a new subscription service, especially for this month, this is an amazing box to try out. Let me start with the product which has the best packaging of all. The reason I'm saying best packaging is because I can't honestly pick up just one product in this month's box which I love the most. I love them all. I love them all equally. They're so good. So let me pull the camera aside. Yeah, I'm actually using a table to put my camera today, you know. My camera is not on a tripod. So yeah, this is from Skin Yoga. I have actually tried out a Skin Yoga body scrub, coffee body scrub in March, thanks to Mystery Box again, and I absolutely loved it. And this is the packaging, okay? You can see a little rope over here which I've already opened. It was tied here. And this is what the packaging is like. So there's a little card, you know, in which to describe the product and how to use it. And then, you know, it's so beautiful raw. It's just lovely. So this is 5.67 gram Skin Yoga green tea face mask. Okay, let me zoom in the camera. Guys, as usual, I'll share a couple of close-up pics on Snapchat and also a close-up video on Instagram, so you can just have a look at what it's all about. Oh, damn it. See, this is what happens when you don't have your recording equipment in place. Even one of my camera lenses is gone. So this is basically a green tea mask from Skin Yoga, and it's just amazing, you know, because like honestly I was a bit afraid to try out this mask because I didn't want to try anything new on my skin right now. And it also felt a bit strong when I was mixing the thing. But after I put on my skin, I felt it was quite good and quite reasonable actually, not harsh on your skin, actually very light. So not very light, but it's kind of light and it's actually very good. Definitely refreshes your skin and it's a great mask to try out. So absolutely love this product, and I absolutely love the brand Skin Yoga. I've tried 2 products from them so far, love them both. Next, let me talk about something which was totally magical, okay? This one I want to talk about because I was not even expecting to like this. Now this is basically, okay, let me try and focus the camera. Okay, yeah, so this is basically a minute manicure, instant manicure hand scrub with sugar. Okay, now the reason why I thought this was a magical product was because I'm not really a fan of hand scrubs. I mean, I'm usually like, you know, what's the great thing about hands? It's not like your face or your hair. It's okay to use a, you know, regular body scrub for your hands, right? But with this hand scrub, I have to say my opinion has changed. Hand scrub can actually really, you know, make your I mean, it feels very good and very relaxing if you use a good hand scrub. So this is what the product looks like. I hope I'm zooming in the camera properly. So I'll tell you what this thing actually does, okay? This is a pink colored formula, pink, light pink. I just love the color. It's extremely sugary and it has an amazing smell. You just have, and it's very grainy, okay, very grainy. Like when you grind your sugar very well, you know, in a mixture grinder, it gets very grainy. It has those like really light grains, and when you're just washing your hands with it, it just, you know, kind of scrubs your hand very well. I've seen a lot of people who start using hand scrubs and foot scrubs on their faces also. Guys, please don't do that. Okay, I mean, this is a very nice product, very light product, but please don't use it on your face because it's not meant for your face. Okay, that's just something I want to mention. So wait, this is a Blossom Sugar Scrub, and this is, I'm sorry, how many grams have they sent me? They have sent me Okay, I can't find it over here. I'll just link it in the description box below. Also guys, they have not mentioned the prices for any of these products, so I'll just mention all the names and all the details in the description box below. So if you want to check Google, if you want to see the prices or anything, you can see it for yourself. The next thing is a citrus mint face wash by Roots and Above, and this is 100 ml. Now this is basically a citrus mint. Did I say citrus fruit? I think I said that. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. Zoom camera, zoom, focus, focus, focus. That's the best I'm going to get out of it today. Okay, so this is a mint face wash, citrus mint face wash. It has a fruity smell with a minty feel to it. Okay, I think that's the best way to describe it. Very, very refreshing, great to use at night. And especially before bedtime, it kind of just refreshes the skin very well, and it feels very natural. It's from a brand called Roots and Above. This is my first Roots and Above product which I've ever tried, and I loved it. Next, I want to talk about, oh my god, I have to tell you about this. This is a foot soap, okay, and this is from a brand called Cosmic Twins. I think that name is so amazing. Another magical product. So this is a lavender foot soap from Cosmic Twins Shanti, and this is what it looks like. Okay, sorry, I'm the one reading it. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I just want to show you, okay, this thing. So it's got a lot of camphor, it's got a lot of flower petals. It's just so relaxing. I've used this once before making this video because I kind of want to give you a review. Guys, this thing smells like heaven. When you put this in water and you just soak your feet in it, you just feel like you're doing spa at home, and it's so relaxing, so relaxing. You just sit in that position with your feet soaked in water with this product, and you just feel like, okay, I don't ever want to get out of this seating position ever. I just want to be like this, for the rest of my life. So they have these flower petals, and then they have these little camphor things. It's mixed with a couple of other essential oils and things like that. I can't really tell which ones. It's got a very nice minty feel to it with a very flowery smell. So it's very, very relaxing. Great thing to even gift to people, I think, this product. And finally, I want to talk about, I was wondering about this. By the way, they have put a lot of thermocol balls in this one's box, which I thought was really, really cute. Yeah. Okay, I was wondering about the cap. I had a feeling that this thing had a cap. So yeah, there it does. Now finally, I want to talk about, oh my god, this is another amazing product. This is the Under the Ocean Shower Gel. Under the Ocean Shower Gel. And you know what the name Under the Ocean sounds like, right? It has this beautiful, feel about being around the water side. This thing actually feels like that. So this is basically a light blue formula. And the formula is a lot like, it has the texture of a shampoo. Okay, it's a shower gel with the texture of a shampoo. So honestly speaking, I was a little bit skeptic about using this one as well. But god guys, this thing smells so good, and it really cleans your body very well, okay? So I really, really like this, and like honestly, if you're somebody who loves bath products, I'll again mention this box is perfect for you, seriously. So this is a 145 ml product, okay? And this is from okay, this has got seaweed extracts, beetroot extract. Oh, that's amazing. It's SLS, SLES and paraben free, and it's from Nysa. Okay, so these are the things I wanted to mention, and of course the close-up pics will be there on Snapchat and Instagram if you want to know more about them. So guys, I've forgotten the price of the mystery box. Oh, I'm sorry, there's one more product. This is, okay, I hope you can see it. Oval Body Loofah. Okay, I think that's pronounced loofah. I've always read that, you've never really said it out loud. Oh my god, I shouldn't know how to pronounce this. Anyways, I think it's pronounced loofah, right? Or loof. No, it can't be loofah. It has to be loofah. I have heard people saying loofah. Guys, as you can see, I've not yet opened it, but I have to say, I love that it has this, thing to hold at the back. And this thing feels very nice and spongy, so I like that. I don't want to open this right now, guys, because all my things are getting misplaced, and this is something which will most definitely get misplaced if I open it. Like, the other things are just going to be there in the bathroom. This one is definitely going to get misplaced. Like all my lights and all my camera stuff. So yeah, just that's it, okay? That's all I wanted to share in today's video. Guys, I just want to show you the packaging. It comes with this packing paper, and then of course, oh yeah, they gave a discount card, and then they have this welcoming little letter. And the packaging is quite pretty. ouch, I dropped a little bit of thermocol balls. So guys, that's all I wanted to mention about the mystery box. If you have subscribed to Mystery Box yourself before or this month, let me know in the comment section below what you also think about them, okay? Because it's always nice to hear other people's opinions and see if you guys agree with me. If you agree, then why, and if you don't agree, then why not? It also helps me understand things better, okay? Because guys, Super Style is all about, you know, honest videos and giving honest reviews. I mean, that's what I've been doing, right? And I know sometimes it can upset some people, but I just want to be honest with my viewers. So yeah, anyways, this is the mystery box. That's all I had to share. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and keep a watch out to know if I managed to get this lights on. Or I'm sure, you know, in 1 or 2 days you will know with my next few videos whether I've got my lights back or not. And yeah, so guys, now I'll sign off from this video and get back to my mad life. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.